Alright, I'm gonna be making a video
So,
called
do you want me to
Neon
make
Cat
iron
Challenge.
pickaxes
I'm
and
gonna be doing the
iron
10-minute
swords?
challenge, so I'm gonna be sitting here for about 10 minutes, seeing if I can't withstand watching Neon Cat. Alright, so I'm gonna start this now. So that'd be fun.
There we go. I wish you could keep inventory on.
Yeah, but it's not fun like that.
Yeah.
Cause you get to keep your level with everything. That's why it's not fun.
Yeah. So if somebody dies, will you pick up their stuff and give it back to them?
Yeah, if I come across it.
Yeah, because my other friend I would play with had a diamond and I died and he wouldn't give me my diamond back. I was so pissed off. Alright, I got 3 iron swords.
You ever make an iron pickaxe?
Yes, I made 2.
I gotta flip the scale now.
Is this your house?
Yep.
At least I know where you live now. I wish we had fire potions.
I ain't going in there. I ain't nothing now.
How about did?
Now wait, if we going in there, let me put some stuff up.
I'm just playing around going in and out. I'm gonna put my chest down in here, okay?
Alright.
So I gotta go all the way back to my house. What do you think I should bring with me?
Put aside over your chest to make sure I can know which one is yours.
I'll put a piece of white wool next to it.
No, put it. Oh, alright.
Let's put it this way. Leave that there. Sticks, cobblestone can go. I'm gonna bring dirt so we can build some stuff up there. Nah, I'll put it there. Put that away. That. Do you think I should bring some oak wood planks?
Oak wood.
Nah. Alright. I should be good. I'll bring some torches too. Do you need any torches?
Nope.
I don't have a map.
No point if it.
I died.